Take a look at the following headline from Los Angeles Times newspaper. Earth is being visited by 57 species of extraterrestrials. But wait a minute, who is visiting the Earth then? I'm guessing you're a little bit confused, right? Because the subject of the sentence is not at the beginning. So what was that? Well, that structure is called passive voice. Basically, we use passive voice when we do not know who did the action, when it is not important to mention the doer, when we want to avoid mentioning the subject, and when we want to put emphasis on the object. To put it into perspective, active voice uses the word order subject plus verb plus object. For example, 57 species of extraterrestrials are visiting Earth. 57 species of extraterrestrials is the subject. Are visiting is the verb. And Earth is the object. For passive voice, the subject-verb-object changes to object-verb-subject, or agent. For example, Earth is being visited by 57 species of extraterrestrials. Earth is the object found at the beginning. Is being visited is the verb. And by 57 species of extraterrestrials is the agent or the subject. The formula for the passive voice is then subject plus be plus past participle plus by the agent. Remember, the agent is in parentheses because it's optional. Here's another example. First, take a look at the active voice version of the sentence. Christopher Columbus discovered America. To change it to passive voice, the subject goes at the end and becomes the agent. The object comes at the beginning, and the verb is conjugated using the auxiliary verb to be and the past participle of the main verb. America was discovered by Christopher Columbus. It is important to note that passive voice can be used in any verb tense. Take a look at the following chart. We can also use passive voice with conditionals, modals, infinitives, and gerunds. One final and very important thing to consider is that the verb to be has to be conjugated using the same tense from the active voice sentence. In this case, we have will do. So in the passive voice sentence, we have to conjugate the verb to be as will be. After that, you have to go back to the active voice sentence and locate the main verb. In this case, it's to, and change it to the past participle in the passive voice sentence. Done.